Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the side skirts of the Yofer body kit on the Tesla Model 3. This is the part 2 of the video. If you guys missed the previous video, please go ahead and check that out. Part 1, where we cover the front lip. No screws needed on the bottom, just 3M. On the side skirts, it's going to be a very similar situation. You can put screws at the bottom as well. I'm gonna go 3M based here and see how it goes. And but if you want further reinforcements, you can go ahead and add some screws on the bottom. They do provide self-tapping screws. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, very similar process. We'll go ahead and put the 3M on the edge trim all around. And then we're gonna go ahead and pre-peel the red ribbon and just kind of secure it on the side with some masking tape. I'm using painter's tape on here, same thing as the previous front lip. We position the side skirts onto here. Once we're positioned, we can go ahead and start peeling off the red ribbon, press and hold, and basically you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and position this onto the vehicle, and then we'll go ahead and continue with the process. All right, so same process, fits perfectly, nice and snug. We're gonna have to go through the door, so we're gonna open up the door to get that inner trim, start peeling, pressing from the top, and then we're also gonna go ahead and do the bottom, the back side, and that's it, and we'll finalize the install. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab this. So we're gonna push and press, push and press, and again, make sure all the surfaces are nice and clean before doing so. So I'm gonna go ahead and finalize this all the way across, including the corner sides, and we'll wrap this video up. I'll show you how it looks, and then I'll do also the other side off camera, and then we'll look at the end result. Alright guys, I did end up putting some self-tapping screws just because the tape wasn't holding at 100%. So to further secure it, I put some screws, put about 6, you can put more if you like. I just put it in every nice, about maybe 6 inches or so. Here's one, here's another one right here, and here's another one. Then all the way towards the end, basically. So you can go ahead and add those on there. I'm gonna go ahead and finalize the other side, and we're good to go. All right, guys. So here's the finished product. Here you can see the front, and here are the sides fully installed. Now all we need is the diffuser on the rear, which we'll cover on part 3 of the video. Here's the other side. I'm gonna back up a bit of the side skirt. It's a really nice kit. Again, guys, you can acquire this at HiRev Sports. I'll put the link in the description. You can email me at boostedwhipsofficial@gmail.com for a discount code, or follow me on Instagram and DM me there at boostedwhips_official, and we can get that squared away. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Please comment, like, share, and I'll get back to you. Until next time.